My name is Tolu. Welcome to Tolulicious Kitchen. Lovelies, I brought you the easiest, the best, and the most delicious cheesecake recipe. This is so direct, simple, and perfect. Don't let me talk much. Let us get it started. What I'm preparing right now are the tangerine I'll be using for the topping. Feel free to make this cheesecake without any topping. And if you love to use any other kind of fruit, feel free to use it. You can use berries, you can use citrus, you can use tropical fruits as the toppings. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'll be using tangerine. This tangerine is well cleaned and it is seed-free. So I'll keep it aside for later use. Into this bowl, I'll be pouring the whipped cream I'll be using. So lovelies, for the exact measurements used for this cake, please check the description box or the comment section. You are going to find it there. It's now time to whisk the whipped cream. I'm going to whisk it until it becomes fluffy, light, and it will just get thickened up just like this. So I'm going to keep it in the fridge for later use. Now let's move on. I have all-purpose flour I'll be using here, and I'm going to go ahead and add sugar into it. I'll add baking powder, and I'm going to add salt into it. I'm adding butter now into it. If you'll be using salted butter, then you don't need to add salt into it. Okay, after that, I'm going to add egg into this. It's now time to mix everything together. For this, you don't really need any mixer. Wash your hand and mix together with one hand or both hands. Okay. I'll be using this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you my returning subscribers. Thank you so much to all you newcomers. Please don't forget to join us here. Remember to subscribe. And if you're enjoying this, remember to leave a comment. Thank you so much. So after mixing together, this is what you're going to have. So lovelies, what we've just mixed together now is the cake flour. Okay, it's now time to get the baking pan ready. That is the baking pan I'll be using. I'm just going to cream it well now with some butter. Have you watched this video up to this stage? Kindly remember to leave a comment. Remember to share so that you will always have the recipe whenever you are ready to bake your own. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you. So into the pan now, I'm just going to transfer the dough and I'm going to spread it well. It is the cake flour, but it's not only going to be at the down of the cake. It has to cover the side as well. So that is the reason why this has to be very well spread. Okay, this is so easy. You can keep your hand moist with some water or with butter, or you just keep doing it like this. It is very easy. You will notice that the more you press it, the more it gets to the side and to the side and to the side, and it will cover the whole baking pan. Okay, or you use both hands like this. It is very easy. This is what you're going to have if it is well really done. So I'm just going to keep this pan now until I need it. So now let's move on to the next stage. I'm going to pour the vegetable oil I'll be using. Feel free to use melted butter. Okay, I'm going to add sugar into it. After adding the sugar, I'm going to get my whisker and I'm going to whisk them together until they become one. Yes, this is it. This is what I want to have. And into this, it's now time to add eggs into it. I'm not going to pour all the eggs into it at once. I'm going to take my time and be adding it one by one. When you add it into it, you mix it together with the oil and sugar. You add it one after the other, and you will love the result you're going to have. I added the fourth egg into it, and I now mix them all together. You can see how creamy it looks now. This is well mixed and it becomes really creamy. It's not time to add Quark into it. You can get this at any supermarket close to you. Yes, this is fresh cheese with low fat content. It is called Quark. So I'll be adding it now into it. After that, all I need to add into this now is my custard. Yes, custard. Get your custard. Like I've said, check the description box or the comment section for the exact measurement to use. You are going to get it. It is so easy. That's why I'm making this step by step. All right, so I'm going to add vanilla sugar into it. Feel free to use vanilla extract, or if you don't want to give it vanilla flavor, then you don't need to add it. But I added vanilla sugar. I loved it. So I whisked them all together. Begin whisking gently and gradually increase the speed until everything is well combined and you have this super creamy batter. What I added into it now is the whipped cream we mixed at the beginning. I got it out of the fridge. I added it into the cheese batter and I gave them a gentle mix together. So lovelies, we are getting there. At this stage, you can turn on your oven and let it be preheated up to 180 centigrade because we are coming closer and closer to the end part of this recipe. I'm sure I keep it so simple that everyone and anybody can make this cheesecake. Okay, lovelies. Now get the baking tray with the cake flour. It's now time to pour the filling into the cake flour, into the baking pan. So I'm going to just use this spatula to spread it well so that the top will be evenly spread. So lovelies, it's now time to use the fingertip, just a fingertip like this, to press down the cake flour so that it will stop at the exact place where the filling stops. And it's now time to do the topping. It depends on the fruit to be using. Spread it all over, do the toppings, and if you want, do it without topping. Now place it in the oven under 180 centigrade for good 1 hour. Lovelies, this is what you're going to have. Allow it to cool down a bit and tra-la-la, this is what you're going to have. Do you like what you're looking at? Let me show you how it looks inside out. You have to see it. The outside is perfect. You can see how it looks. The aroma is amazing. And look at what we have inside there. Let me bring it closer. Lovelies, look at what we have. You need to give this a try and I know you will love it. Thanks for watching.